My name's David Bacon. I'm a judge in the Gosford, Erina and Coastal Business Chamber Awards, and I've been a judge for a number of years. I've also been a company director for more than 20 years, and so I've had the opportunity to look at strategy and success in businesses, and I think that's what's really important to these business awards. Anyone who enters business awards needs to realise that judges read a lot of applications. So in your application, you firstly need to capture their attention so that they'll be interested in reading what you've got to say, and what you have to say will be memorable. One of the things that I'm always looking for is, do you understand your strategy? And is it well articulated? And then how are you translating that into the actions in your business? It's always good to include case studies, but also to some facts and figures to illustrate how you really are achieving your goals. One of the things that judges do notice as well too is the diversity of businesses, but their experience is such that they're able to make assessments of whether it's a one-man band, and there are categories for that, or a bigger business which has a rather complex strategy and a big team of people working for them. But the judges are able to differentiate between those and make allowances for what is presented before them so that they can basically pick the right winners. One of the things about entering an awards program like this is it forces you to take a look at your business. It's a good business health check. Have we got our strategy right? How long since we've reviewed it and made some decisions about whether we need to change direction or just tweak it? So I think it's a very good opportunity to take a look at yourself and how the business is running. The second piece of advice I would give you is to keep it short and succinct. The judges do read a lot of applications, and so we need to cut to the chase and to be able to get an insight into your business. Shorter sentences, shorter paragraphs, and don't be repetitive. Certainly telling us about percentage increases, say, in your turnover, or a percentage increase in your profits, the fact that you have reduced staff turnover, and things like that is very valuable information for the judges in being able to differentiate between the various applicants for the category that you're in. Another tip on how to approach your application: completing the form is actually quite important. Read the questions carefully and answer what the question is actually asking you to do. It's important to tell your story, but it's important to tell your story within the context of the questions that you're being asked. So if it is a question about strategy, just talk about your strategy, because you will have an opportunity to present some of your additional data further down the list. Have a look at the form right through before you start to write, and then answer the questions succinctly.